Welcome back to my channel. This is Mhaico Ismael and you are hearing my voice coming from my audio recorder. But later on, we're gonna be trying the audio quality of the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone. So, before anything else, let's get started! So, okay, obviously na-unbox ko na siya kanina. So, I will be showing you what is in the box of the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone. So, we have the synthetic leather pouch and meron din siyang kasamang jack na ganito, audio jack, something like that. And then, of course, the pop filter of the microphone. Nasuot ko na ngayon. Ito. The pop filter and then the clip. And, of course, the lavalier body right here. Nasinuot ko na nga siya kanina para naka-ready na ako. And, of course, meron siyang kasamang battery na maliit lang. Yung parang sarilo na ang size niya is LR44 na battery, na extra battery para nilalagay siya dito sa loob ng capsule kasi meron siyang individual battery kaya hindi siya nakaka-drain if you are going to use this lavalier to your device, something like that. So, okay, so let's get started. And isi-switch ko lang yung BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone para marinig nyo na kung ano yung audio quality nito. So, let's get started in 3, 2, 1. So, ito na nga, ang audio quality ng, sobrang taas. Wait lang. O sige, hihinaan ko na lang yung boses ko. So, this is the audio quality of the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone. So, kung itatanong nyo kung magkano siya, nabili ko tong BOYA na to, BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone for only 1,000 pesos here in the Philippines. So, kung naririnig nyo, kahit gumalaw-galaw ako dito, wala kayong naririnig na noise distortion and wala ding wind blowing, though bukas yung electric fan dito. Kita nyo naman gumagalaw yung cortina ko. And, okay, so kahit gaano tayo kalayo, ito yung kagandahan kapag meron kang lavalier na ganito, kahit gaano ka kalayo, ganyan. Kahit gumalaw-galaw ka ng ganyan, hindi ka mahahassle. So, maganda talaga siya. At marirecommend ko nga pala itong BOYA na to sa mga, for example, nagtuturo ka sa maraming tao, ganyan, tapos kailangan mong gumamit ng microphone. Yes, malakas yung microphone pickup niya kasi ito ay omnidirectional. So, it means yung pickup pattern niya, lahat na kukuha, the entire environment. Wow! Something like that. Pero, 'di ba? Ganun kalawak yung range na napipick up. Maganda ba siyang gamitin? Yes, maganda siyang gamitin dahil maliwanag yung boses ko. Kasi as you can hear, the sound is there. The quality is so rich. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung sound na ganito. Yung walang noise distortion, walang wind blowing, something like that. Kahit paypayan mo pa siyang ganyan, okay na okay siya. So, and kung tatanungin nyo, healthy ba siya sa mga device nyo? Yes, kasi nga meron siyang individual na battery. Kaya hindi madidrain agad yung device nyo kung ano man yung device na ginagamit nyo. But in my case, I am using my voice recorder right here. And of course, maganda yung sound niya. And isa pang magandang features ng BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone is super haba ng cable niya. Yung ganito niya. Yes, sobrang haba niya. Feeling ko nasa more than 6 feet to Kasi sobrang haba talaga niya. Sobrang haba niya. So, alam niyo naman kung gaano kahaba yung 6 feet. 'Di ba? So, dahil nga highly quality condenser siya, ideal for video use. Especially kapag nagva-vlog ka like this. And especially then, kung ikaw ay nagva-vlog outside kasi hindi niya napipick up yung unwanted sounds. Kasi na-try ko na siya once sa labas ng bahay. And low handling noise siya. So, kagaya nito, may electric fan akong ginagamit dito. Hindi niya napipick up yung sound ng... Mas malakas pa rin yung pick up niya sa voice kaysa dun sa sound na napipick up niya coming from the wind blowing. And of course, for the bonus clip on this video, I will be singing using the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone. So, okay. So, before that, papatayin ko muna yung electric fan. I will turn off my electric fan and I will increase the microphone gain of the BOYA BY-M1 using my voice recorder right here that I am using right now. So, let's get started again. It's the way we need to be. No, I'ma get to know you better. Gotta hope we're here forever. There's nobody on these streets. If you told me that the world's ending, ain't no other way that I could spend it. Oh, this time in my hands. Might as well cancel up alliance. Yeah, I can stay here forever. So lock the door and throw out the key. Can't fight this no more. It's just you and me, and there's nothing I can do. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. So go ahead and drive me insane, baby, run your mouth. I still wouldn't change being stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. And of course, thank you for watching this video. This is my quick review about the BOYA BY-M1 lavalier microphone. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you on my next videos. Bye!